we're over here at the edgebander, and I don't know, but when you're inputting data on the touch screen, doesn't work so well. Sometimes you press it and two things will hit at once. Sometimes the information won't take. You'll hit enter, start running. If you don't notice, the data is wrong. So what we found is I found a stylus for a touch screen, and we're going to attach it to the screen, and it's going to work perfectly every time. So there's some examples. Here we are, the magic of cinema. We have it all done here. So, mount it up on the corner permanently, and we can do our data. No problem. And it works great. Thank you for your time, and keep lean, everybody.